thank you for coming back. I'm making a very short video today because I just wanted to show you how I've improvised my mask. If you remember the first mask that I made, it was not sewn. Even this is not sewn, but I got some ideas because it was really getting hot in the sun, and I wanted to do something about the heat and the sweat. So I prepared this. So this is the same cloth that I used in the first video to show you. I just added these strings, and this is double layer, so you have extra protection now. Yeah, so I'll just show you quickly how I did that. It's the pajama leg. I just cut that pajama leg, if you remember the pajama leg, and I added strings to these two sides. Okay, so these are again from the same material. I think around 6. If you just pull it up, it will become a little more sturdier. So what I do is I will only put it up. Can you see? Yeah. So this is how I'll just tie it up 2 times. So it's nice and sturdy. And the other side too. So again, double protection is there. So yeah, you can make multiple of these masks, homemade masks, which was easy to make, and no, only scissors is required and the cloth piece is required. So make masks for your neighbors, for your friends, and just give it if you have extra piece of cloth at home, extra pajamas. Yeah, so God bless you. Bye.